1,000 people laced up their shoes for a special walk in Tampa. The annual ALS walk helps raise money in hopes of finding a cure, but until then, some people living with the disease are hoping that Florida voters approve the use of medical marijuana, which they say helps ease the pain. News 9's Randy Nissenbaum spoke to some of them about that issue.
Along with ALS, I have Parkinson's symptoms. Not disease, but symptoms. So I've got the tremors from that.
Doug McGinnis is losing his body to ALS.
I can no longer write. I can't stand. It just eats away at your body.
Saturday, he joined the other 1,000 people at the annual ALS walk in Tampa to raise funds and awareness so that one day a cure can be found.
The only thing that we have is hope.
While there is no cure, some say medical marijuana takes away pain, helps with tremors and spasms caused by ALS. The issue is on the November ballot. Doug says if it passes, he would use it.
I think anything that can give you relief is something that you should try.
Davy Nelson also has ALS and says until she started experiencing the symptoms of ALS, she never considered using marijuana. But with doctors saying she only has a few years to live and the amount of pain she knows she will suffer, she says she would try it.
If it would help people to live a life longer, without pain, because ALS or Lou Gehrig's is so debilitating, yes, I would be.
The ALS Association does not condone patients using illegal substances. However, it says if it helps and medical marijuana becomes legal in Florida, that's a different story.
ALS patients, after diagnosis, are given 2 to 5 years to live. So we feel that anything that eases their pain and gives them comfort is something that we would stand behind.
The votes in November will determine marijuana's future in Florida. Whether it passes or not, Doug, Davine, their families and friends are praying that some form of relief becomes available. In Tampa, Randy Nissenbaum, Bay News 9.
Now, those opposed to legalizing medical marijuana say it's a gateway drug that could lead people to abuse more serious drugs. The ALS Association says that this year's walk was one of its most successful, and one of the highlights for the many walkers was meeting legendary baseball player Lou Piniella. He lost his father-in-law to ALS.